Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Transforming a small patio into a stylish and cozy retreat is easier than you think. Even with limited space, the right touches can turn your outdoor area into a relaxing oasis that feels both modern and timeless. With smart design choices, your patio will not only look stunning but also become a place you'll never want to leave. Now, let's dive into the most inspiring and irresistible small patio ideas that combine simplicity, functionality, and modern charm. Maximizing space with smart layouts. Arrange your furniture against walls or corners to free up the center, making your patio feel open and airy instead of crowded. This creates a natural flow that invites relaxation. Choose multifunctional furniture like benches with storage or foldable tables that save space. These smart pieces help you keep the patio uncluttered and stylish. Use rugs, planters, and lighting to define different zones, even in small areas. This gives your patio a sense of organization and purpose without overwhelming it. Adding greenery for a fresh atmosphere. Incorporate vertical gardens, hanging plants, or trellises to add greenery without taking up valuable floor space. This trick brings life and vibrancy to the walls. Mix different plant heights and textures, such as tall grasses, small shrubs, and soft ground covers. This layered look makes your patio appear lush and inviting. Select low-maintenance plants that thrive in pots, so your patio remains green and beautiful with minimal care. This ensures your space feels effortless and refreshing. Creating a cozy lounge corner. Add a pair of compact chairs with plush cushions and a small coffee table to create a private nook. This corner instantly becomes your go-to relaxation spot. Incorporate warm lighting like string lights or lanterns to set a magical evening mood. The glow transforms your patio into a charming nighttime retreat. Place a soft outdoor rug and cozy throws to make the space feel like an extension of your living room. This adds warmth and comfort you'll love year-round. Enhancing style with modern décor. Use sleek furniture with clean lines and neutral tones for a contemporary look. This minimalist approach makes your patio feel modern and uncluttered. Incorporate metallic accents like a chic side table or lanterns to add sophistication and a touch of glam. Small details can instantly elevate the design. Play with textures using woven baskets, ceramic pots, and soft fabrics. This balance between modern and natural elements creates irresistible charm. Bringing personality with small touches. Display personal accents like candles, art pieces, or decorative cushions that reflect your style. These details make your patio uniquely yours. Add a statement piece, such as a bold outdoor sculpture or a colorful plant, to create a focal point. This keeps the eye engaged and sparks conversation. Switch up decor with the seasons. Fresh flowers in spring, lanterns in summer, or cozy blankets in fall. These changes keep your patio exciting and alive all year. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transforming small patios into simple, modern, and irresistible spaces. Remember, even the smallest corners can become your favorite retreat with the right touches. If you enjoyed these ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a patio makeover. But wait, your transformation doesn't stop here. Discover small front yard ideas, easy, modern, and stunning designs, and see how to elevate your home's entrance into a breathtaking first impression. Click now and let's continue this creative journey together.